Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Diversity in Cinema Academy. I'm Theta Catalan and this is the place to be if you're an independent filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. So all this month I have been dropping tips about filmmaking for my vlogmas series, 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. So this video is going to be all about marketing. Now, the first thing that I want you to understand about marketing your film is that there's two different forms of marketing that goes on. First, there's the business to business marketing, and then there's the business to the audience marketing. So a lot of times people get caught up on the marketing that they need to do for their audience to get people to view the film. But first and foremost, a lot of independent filmmakers get hung up on the business to business marketing because they can't even get it to the phase of being able to, get it out to an audience. So I want you to understand that marketing for an independent film relies on you. 9 times out of 10, a distributor will not put a dime towards marketing for a small, ultra low budget independent film. So it will all rely on you. So that is what you need to start putting in your head at this point, that marketing is all on me. And so with that being said, the first part of marketing is the business to business, because first you got to get this into some distributors' hands or, production company hands or whatever you are. Because if you are a screenwriter, all of your marketing is going towards production companies, studios, or a filmmaker or somebody who's willing to shoot your film, right? And so the same goes for you as the producer of the film. Maybe you have already shot your film and you shouldn't have, because this is something that you will figure out in the development stage, like what distributors that you will be targeting. And so when you are targeting them, the materials that you most likely will need is a pitch deck and a one-sheet pitch document. And typically a one-sheet pitch document will have your log line, your synopsis, you will have information about the cast. So this is something that you do after you have finished casting. Or if you are trying to develop it, then it will be a wish list of the cast that you want in the film. And also you have information about the director or other key members of the team that will be on that pitch document. And then lastly, obviously your contact information. And the pitch deck will have some similar stuff to that, but you have some additional information in there. You might have the director's vision. You may also have mood boards in your pitch deck. So there's a lot more to that. And if you want to learn a little bit more about what goes in a pitch deck, I give a complete overview of that in my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business. So be sure to check that out. I'll provide a link below. So now the other part of marketing is when you're trying to target the audience. So one of the recommendations that I would have for you to get started with, because there's obviously a lot to marketing. That's why people hire, marketing companies and publicists and all that to help them out. So my first tip to you is to create a media kit. So before you even reach out to a marketing company or a publicist, you'll have all of that prepared for them. And your media kit will have, like some still photos, you will have some video clips, you will have your trailer, you will have your poster, you will also have a website where people can go learn about the company. And honestly, your website can play as a media kit, because you will have all of that I just described, as far as the still photos, the trailers, the posters. You will have cast information, so you'll have the character information. You would have information about the director, key players like the cinematographer, the screenwriters, and all that will be on the website. So those are just a few tips that I have for you when it comes to marketing. If you want to dive a little deeper into marketing. As I mentioned, that is something that's also a part of my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business. And I also did this video right here that you can check out. So be sure to check either one of those out if you want to dig a little bit deeper into marketing. So tomorrow we're gonna be talking all about the distribution strategy. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. If you are enjoying this series, be sure to visit Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where they have a ton of resources there. If you're interested in leveling up your film business, you can check out my online course,